What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Minecraft server on a Mac. The steps are very easy. However, if you miss one step, the server won't work. I'm going to go into a lot of detail and provide as much information to make the process simple. So the first step is to go to this web address, and basically you're going to download the jar and it gives you the latest version. The file won't harm your computer, so don't worry about that. Before downloading it, which will take a couple minutes probably, create a new folder and name it Minecraft. I named mine Minecraft 1 since I already have a previous folder named Minecraft. Then do not open this, by the way, because it won't open. So we just drag it down into the folder. Okay, this is a very important step. You guys are going to rename this folder Minecraft_server. The reason I only took off the numbers is because it will make it easier to run commands in the future. If you don't take off the numbers, then another step I'm going to be doing later won't work. So after this, go to the launch pad and click on text edit. By the way, the text edit is located on the other folder on the Mac. So on the text edit, go to format and click make plain text. This way you could input the code I'm about to tell you guys. This is the code I will also include on the description. Copy and paste that onto the text edit. Okay, so the 1G here stands for 1 GB. If you guys want your world to have more storage space in your world, then you could change the 1 to a 2 for 2 GB. However, 1 GB is enough unless you actually are planning on doing a lot on the server. After you're done with that, you're going to go to file, you're going to save it, and you're going to name it start.command. Make sure you don't misspell anything. And the location is going to be on the Minecraft folder. In my case, I don't have the folder here, so I'm going to send it to the desktop. But then I will drag it into the folder. After we're done with that, you're going to go onto the launchpad again, open the other folder, and you're going to go to the terminal. On the terminal, this is very important, you're going to write chmod single space a plus x and another space. Make sure you do the last space at the end. After you're done with that, you're going to drag the start command text edit onto the terminal, and you're going to click the enter or return key. After you do that, you're going to double click on the start command. And while you click on the start command, you're going to notice that these three things are going to pop up, and the start command is saying, it says stopping server, failed to load, ULL text. So it's not working yet, right? So the reason why is because you have to go to the ULA text. You could close it, by the way. And on the ULA text, you're going to change the false to true. After you change the false to true, you could also close the terminal, guys. When you double click again on the start command, it will take a second. This will pop up. Minecraft server. This is officially your server. Basically, it's done. It says preparing spawn area until it's done is when you can actually log into the server. Now, the server has been created. You guys can now go to server properties. Server properties is to change things from your server. For example, oh, I'm sorry guys, I accidentally dragged something into it. Okay, so this is how the server property is going to look like. If you guys go to, let me see, level seed, you guys could type in the seed you want to spawn in, and it will do that. You could type in a resource pack. Where it says difficulty, it means if you're on survival, how difficult it could be. Number 1 stands for normal. If you do a 0, it's going to turn it to peaceful. Now, if you want to be in the game mode, stands for creative, survival, adventure, spectator, whatever. Number 1 is creative, and number 1 is creative. Number 0 is survival. Number 2 is adventure. And number 3 is spectator. So you guys can change the game mode as well. you guys later on, you guys could Google some things and also let you know what other things you could change in the server properties. But for now, those are the easier ones. By the way, where it says server IP, don't input anything. Alrighty, so after you guys are done with that, now you guys want to see how you could log into your server. So I'm actually gonna go on to Minecraft. Now, in order for you to log into your server, all you have to do is put in your IP address, like your local IP address. If your friend comes into your house, all they have to do is input your local IP address. So if you guys don't know what your IP address is, go to System Preferences. On System Preferences, you're going to go to Network. My network, right here, it says Wi-Fi is connected to Erika, which is my Wi-Fi name, and has an IP address of whatever it is. So in my case, when I go to multiplayer and I go to Direct Connect, if I input my IP address, I will log into my server, as you guys can see right now. Now, that's only if for people that are in your house. Let's say your friend is in their house, they're far away, it doesn't matter how far away they are, and they want to join into your server. Well, they can't use your IP address. What you're going to do now is you're going to go to Google. By the way, you cannot close this window where it says Minecraft server, because if you do, then of course the server will stop working. Sometimes the connection will also time out. We just restart the server. Okay, on Google, you're gonna type in, what is my IPv4? IPv4 is gonna give you the IP address your friends need to log into Minecraft. However, sometimes on a Mac, if you just type in what is my IP address, they're gonna give you the IPv3, which is gonna be a lot of numbers and a bunch of letters. The IP address never has numbers, never has letters on it. I mean, it's always just numbers. So you're gonna go to www.ipaddress.eu, and they're gonna give you your IPv4, which is the one that you need. In my case, this is my IPv4. If my friend connects to this, if my friend inputs the IP address, they will be able to connect to it directly. Even though I'm in my local network, I'm still gonna input the IPv4 address that my friends would input, and you're gonna see that it still lets me log in. Connect. There you go. I logged back into the server. It's as easy as that. Now, guys, some of you guys, your router needs your port to be activated in order for your friends to be able to log in. So this is another step you guys are gonna have to do. If, for example, your friends can't log in, that means that your port has to be activated. In my case, mine worked without the port being activated, but I did activate it once because it didn't work with my previous computer. I used to have like a Windows. Okay, now to get into your router example, if you have Comcast, you probably have the Xfinity router. Maybe you have D-Link. It depends. You could ask your parents if you don't know what the name of your router is. In my case, I have Xfinity. So for those that have Xfinity, all you have to do is put 10.0.0.1. This is the IP address for Xfinity. So once you click on that, it's gonna come up here. Some of us don't have a username or password created for Xfinity. So all you have to do basically, unless you if your parents already created a username and password, you could use that. But if it doesn't work for any reason, maybe it's because you actually don't have one. So all you have to do is put in for user, put admin, and for password, literally type in password, and it will let you log in. That's like for everybody. After you come in here, you're gonna go to advanced settings. On advanced, you're gonna go to port forwarding. Okay, see, I'm in port forwarding. As you guys can see, I already added it. You click the service name, Minecraft, so they know what it is. This is important, guys. On the type, put TCP. On the start port, 25565 is a standard port number for Minecraft. That's why you're gonna put 25565. That way, That way your router is going to enable that port number and it will let your friends log in. I put, here it says IPv4, don't put the IPv4 that your friends need. Put the one on your local network. So like the one that I showed you that you go to system preferences and you see it, which in my case, mine is this one, as you can see. Where it says IPv6, don't put anything on it. Just put zeros and everything. And then active, just make sure it's active, you just click it. I already have it on, but let's say you guys don't have anything, just click on add service. And then just start filling everything in. Remember, make sure for where it says common service, just click other. Click on the, put something in the service name. Remember TCP, your server address, and the port number is again 25565. And then click save and activate it. That's how you could put your port number. That's how you could put the port forwarding. This is a crucial step because for many of you guys, the server for your friends won't be able to log into the server unless you do the port forwarding. So make sure that's done. Alrighty, another thing that might happen to you guys. I'm literally giving you all possible reasons why your server might not work. Okay, this happened to me. You know how Minecraft has new releases? As you can see, the latest one is 1.12.1. Sometimes Minecraft is gonna, let's say Minecraft comes up with 1.13, right? But your server was created when it was in 1.12.1. So when you try to log into your server, it's gonna say server outdated because you played on a different version that's not on your server's version. When this happens, you're gonna have to, as you can see, I have other versions here. When this happens, you're gonna wanna go to launch options, click on add new, click on the configuration name. I'm gonna put my name on it. And it's where it says version. Let's say your server is on 1.12. You click on release 1.12. You click save. And then all you have to do is go back to news. You're going to go onto the configuration, the one that I just made, 1.12 right here. And when you click play, it means that you're playing Minecraft on that version, 1.12. I'll demonstrate you guys. Since the server that we just made was 1.12.1, you're going to see how it's not going to let me. It says outdated client. Please use 1.12.1 because that's the one that your server has. So now you guys know how to do that, just in case one day a new release comes up and your server doesn't match it up. Alright guys, that's basically all you have to do to create your server. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I will reply as soon as possible. This is my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe on it, give the video a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to make of Minecraft. I just started my channel and I plan on making a lot of video game gameplays and tutorials. I'm gonna start playing games that might not be common, that are kind of like weird and brand new, but you guys could check it out to see if you guys are interested in those games. So make sure to subscribe, turn on my notifications, and I hope you guys found this video very helpful.